Very good morning traders, welcome to MST School of Trading. This is another video which shows you the performance of natural gas. So since I have planned to release video only for 5 minutes, so I will be showing each video for each script. Instead of showing all the scripts in one video, I will be showing you each script in each video. So I don't know how many videos I can release, so depending on the time I will be releasing. If time permits, I will release you more videos. Okay, now let me look into this. Previous day on 17th October, this 17th October, sell activated natural gas exactly and targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. So again second sell activated, targets hit. Okay, but actually per day only one trade only. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. But here we can follow some extra additional filtering methods I have used here. Bullish engulfing, bullish R3C, and similarly bearish engulfing and bearish R3C. If you follow such pattern, you can use it. So since it is natural gas, so we are supposed to keep minimum small stop loss and small target. Small stop loss and small target. If you are keeping 1:2 ratio, then you can go for small stop loss and normal target. That is 1:2 ratio. So now இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சு நினைக்கிறேன். So minimum you can keep in normal stop loss. Actually I forgot in which language I started. தமிழ்ல பேச ஆரம்பிச்சேனா இங்கிலீஷ் பேச ஆரம்பிச்சேனா தெரியல. Okay, anyway I will continue in English. So if you are keeping 1:1 ratio, you can keep in small and small target, and if you are keeping 1:2 ratio, you can keep in small and normal target. Okay, so now we are going to run the market. Now market has just opened in on 18th October 2023. So now our buy entry and sell entry got formed. See here bottom side we have two lines, that is 253.7 and top side 258.5. whichever side it is going, that side we have to trade. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell until SL hit. If buy side SL hit, go for second sell. If sell side SL hit, go for second buy. Okay, so now I will slowly increase the speed of the market, so that we will be saving our time. So you can exactly trade in futures, otherwise you can trade in option also. So you can take 250 call option or 240 call option. See here what is the low made, 253.6. 253.6 was the low made, and our buy entry was at 253.7. exactly after hitting our target, it went down for 10 paisa. After getting our entry, it went down by 10 paisa only 10 paisa. Exactly we got our entry. So now since buy activated, we are going to remove the sell and we are going to enable the buy targets. Also we will be enabling the second sell targets. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entries. No other settings we are going to do. No other settings we are going to do. Now market is running. So our target will be 255.7, this because is 1:2 ratio target hit. Now we can keep our stop loss to cost if we are waiting for the second and third target. So second target also hit 257.8. Now we are waiting for the third target. So now third target also hit. That's all. Our trading is over. We booked all our 3 lots. Okay, we are not going for any fresh trade. Simply you can watch. If you want, simply you can watch. If we have that guts, then you can wait for more targets. How to enable the more targets? Here we have given the option. Where it is? Go to the indicator settings, MGR zone 1, enable first buy target 4. And if you want that DTP, here we have given MGR 4, that also you can use. So now you can see how many targets we have got it. Exactly 4 targets we have got, and perfectly all the targets have been hit. Actually buy only got activated, right? So we have done it DVP. So perfectly first target hit, second target hit, third target hit, and fourth target hit. Here you can see one head and shoulder format. Once the shoulder is broken, we have got the again profit. So this is the very simplest concept what we have in our trading world. So hope this point is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us on 9500009154 through WhatsApp. Our executives will be very helpful to answer your questions. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.